Let's talk about this fourth practice, response prompting. Response prompting involves helping a student perform a correct response, providing positive feedback, and then gradually fading supports. So instead of trial and error learning, students are prompted to respond correctly. This provides an increased opportunity for students to practice correct responses and again receive feedback. And it may reduce student frustration as students are less likely to commit errors and may receive more positive feedback. So let's consider the following example. The teacher presents a question to her students. Children, what's 3 times 4? She waits for a period of time. Students don't know. She waits for another period of time. Students still don't know. And then after a while, students start guessing. Students start engaging in problem behavior. And again, she loses the effectiveness and efficiency of her instruction. When using response prompting, she might deliver the cue to the students. Children, what's 3 times 4? After a predetermined period of time, they do not respond or they make an error, then she's going to provide them support by saying, it's 12. Say 3 times 4 equals 12. The students practice the response, 3 times 4 equals 12, and then she gives them positive feedback. So there are several response prompting strategies, and in Project Impact, we use constant time delay and the system of least prompts. They're different that one uses a single prompt and the other uses multiple prompt levels. We've developed for you full modules on each of these procedures to help you, but I'm going to provide you a quick overview now. So when using constant time delay, it follows a familiar logic. You show someone what to do, and then you wait for them to do it independently. And there's two different types of trials that you present when using constant time delay. At the beginning, you don't want the student to have an opportunity to make an error. So you provide the directive, so the question, the cue, and then you immediately provide a prompt. So the student is able to respond and then contact positive feedback. So the teacher says, what is the building that people live in? And immediately delivers the prompt house. Student responds, and then they're able to provide feedback. After a period of time, after the student is responding to the prompt consistently, we fade out that prompt by inserting a period of time. So now the teacher delivers the question, what is the building that people live in? She waits, the student responds, and then she provides positive feedback. When using the system of least prompts, we present an opportunity for a student to respond independently first, and then we present a predetermined hierarchy of prompts contingent on student errors. So we may say, where did Johnny go? So the students are reading the story. We ask them, where did Johnny go? We wait for a period of time. If they don't respond correctly, then we say, can you look in the book and find the answer? So that's our next level of prompting. They still can't find it. And then we provide the final level of prompting. He went to the abandoned church. Say he went to the abandoned church, and the students respond. So again, this differs from constant time delay, where there's one prompt. We're actually providing multiple levels of support when using system of least prompts. So in general, response prompting is an important practice because it promotes engagement during instruction, increases student opportunities to receive positive feedback, and it facilitates skill acquisition. It helps us make sure that no students are left behind.